Hi guys, hope everyone are doing good and safe at home. Today I just thought of filming out a video on one of the best product of us, but many of you guys were not knowing about it and its benefit. So today I just thought of telling you the usage, ingredients and what will the pack give you on regular use of it. So let me show you the pack and I will also explain you how to use it and how frequently use it to get a best result on it. We are going to see about this body Upton scrub. This is not only for your body, this can be used for your skin as well. You can use this for both your face and body. This cost would be 250 rupees for 150 gram. This Upton scrub helps to reduce your face pigmentation, acne scar, body scar and also highly used to reduce your face tan. It has a main ingredient of turmeric, sandalwood and also camphor. Camphor works on your body acne and face acne and also helps in reducing them. On regular use of this body scrub helps to reduce your body odor as well as tan. Let me show you how to use this scrub for a best result. So I'll just show you how to use this body Upton scrub on your face as well as your body. So let me show you how to mix it with and how long you're supposed to use it and how frequently you're supposed to use it. So I'm going to take a very little amount of this Upton scrub because I'm going to use only for my face. So I'm going to take a very little amount of it. So I'm taking only 1 spoon of it and it has a very good aroma of camphor and the camphor will help you on reducing your body and face acne and blemishes also. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a very little amount of rose toner. This is also one of a new launched product, Rose Skin Brightening Toner. This gives you a kind of instant refreshment look whenever you use it and it gives you a very instant glow on your face. So it's really good if you're having dry oily skin and it's also good for combinational skin as well. And you can take this with you and wherever if you're going out you can take it with you because it gives you a very good refreshment to your skin and give you a natural glow, and you can use it as a facial mist as well in top of your makeup. So I'm going to apply it on my face. Similar to a face pack, you can use it on your face, but it has harder particles on it because this Upton scrub has almond and oats on it, because only then you can feel a kind of scrub feel. But this is a very mild scrub, so it will not damage your skin if even you use it on your regular basis. So this can be used by both men and women. There's no any restriction that only men should use it. Um, women should use it, men should not use it. Both of them can use it. It depends upon your usage. You can apply it in a thin layer or a thick layer like that. So what I basically do is I used to leave this for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then I used to scrub and wash it, because this is a scrub. You don't need to leave it on your face, but what I used to do is I used to leave it, but it's up to you. You can just leave it or you can start scrubbing. So do it on very gentle manner on upward direction. If you're not having this toner, you can mix it with curd or milk, or even honey can also be used. Just do it in a very gentle manner. Don't be very hard on your skin. Give a gentle massage to the places where blackheads and whiteheads form. So you're supposed to give it on these corner, here, here, and your forehead areas, where the where we basically will not clean those places on our regular face wash. We used to apply it over here, but you are supposed to give a very good massage on these particular places, and also give a very gentle massage on the place where you're having acne, scars, and blemishes, so it gets rid of them. Give a gentle massage at least for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can wash your face with a regular or cold water for best result. So my skin is little soft, and I get a very good glow on my skin. It gives me an instant glow, and also it helps to dry out my acne, and also it helps me in reducing my scar. But this happens only when you use it on regular uses, not in a single use. You cannot feel the experience. Since I'm using this for past 1 week, I can feel somewhat a very good result on myself. So I just thought of giving you a good review on it. And then I'm going to go with this Rose Skin Brightening Toner. Whenever you're scrubbing, you're supposed to go with any kind of toner or moisturizer. After scrubbing, only then your open pores gets shrink back, or it will be open, and the dust particle starts going inside your skin, and it forms as a blackheads and whiteheads. So to avoid such kind of thing, we are going to use this toner. So I have sprayed, and then I'm going to just get a little tab to my skin, because I want the toner to get into my skin. And then the next step which I'm going to use is, I'm going to use one of my favorite gel from us. This is the saffron gel. Oh my god. So I have almost used half the bottle, but I will not use this on my regular basis, because I'm a lazy person and I will not use it on my daily basis. But so far I used it, but it's really good for my skin. I have a very sensitive skin. Whatever product which I use, it burns my skin easily. So I use only selected products on my skin because of my sensitivity. So this saffron gel really suits my skin. It makes my skin smoother, soft, and also give me an instant glow whenever I apply it. Like if I'm leaving it overnight, it gives me a very good glow and smoothness to my skin. So I'm going to use my roller to just give a gentle massage, since we have applied a serum, a gel. So that will just give a good massage and make the gel to go inside our skin. A quick massage. It's based on your convenient. You can use it how many times ever you require. That's it. So my routine is done for today, and hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.